Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the encryption for file sharing connections on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Sort your view by up in the top right by category view, and then select Network and Internet on the left panel, and then select Network and Sharing Center. Select Change Advanced Sharing Settings on the left side here, and then underneath All Networks, click on the little arrow to expand the dropdown, and then File Sharing Connections. You can click on the dropdown and select either 128-bit encryption or 40 or 56-bit encryption options from this list, so select whatever you want to choose. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to click on save or OK or anything like that to confirm the change. Once you've made your selection in here, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.